Hello everyone, and today we're going to break down the difference between the two very similar words associated with flying. These words are swoop and strafe. Both can be used as a noun and verb, but primarily as verbs. So, what's the exact difference? We're going to find it out right away. Swoop. Used in the two different contexts. First, silent attacks. When someone snatched behind you and suddenly attack you, you can say that they swooped on you. And the second usage is the main one. It's about birds of prey, such as eagles, falcons, etc. For example, you can say an eagle in the sky swooped down on a hare in a meadow. Like this. Catch it and fly away. And when it comes to the second word, strafe, used in military aircrafts. You can say, for example, a very good example to understand it, that some aircrafts have machine guns on board. And when a pilot and a gunner on a mission to destroy some targets, a pilot of the aircraft quickly getting like this closer to the ground to allow a gunner to destroy targets quickly and gain altitude to be safe again. And that's the whole difference between these two words. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.